Hi guys, welcome to the new video. And today we'll discuss one of the important aspect of for a DevOps engineer. If you tell this in your interview, that will be good. Like if you say that you have worked on cost optimization in your organization, or you have knowledge of cost optimization, then it will be good and it will create a good impression of yourself to an interviewer. So basically, if they ask you that what how you have worked on it, so the things that you can tell, first of all, for all the dev servers which are used for development purpose. So basically in every project it is required that when those dev servers are not required to be up, like at night, or it depends, like in according to US timings or whatever, those dev servers should be up and running whenever the team is using it, else it should be in a shutdown state. That reduces a lot of cost. So you can tell them that you have worked on writing a script which helps in shutting down the VMs at the specific time. And for that we have the APIs, the EC2, AWS CLIs, we have Azure CLIs, where you can write the code in PowerShell, or you can use AWS Lambda in AWS. So basically what you have to do, you have to trigger that code at the specific time. So either you can schedule the job, we have cron expression for it, which will trigger, or in AWS Lambda it is an event driven, or you can send us mail and trigger that function. So basically when that function will be triggered at a specific time, then all the VMs will be fetched, and whatever is the status, if the VMs are found running, the VM should shut down, and the status of the VMs or their servers should go to the team owner or team members who are the owner or who are using those servers. So basically this is one of the most important point that you can include that you have done for cost optimization. Second is like you have put a budget check. You can put a budget check on resources. Like in Azure you can put it on RG level, in AWS you can put on account level. You can put a budget check. You can restrict that for a monthly cost should be this, and your VM should be started if the monthly cost is exceeding. Then we can inform the team that this time you have consumed all budget, and like they can provide the justification, they can provide whatever is the reason. So this is some kind of check that you can put for the cost optimization. Second, like third thing is that various resources which were created, like the snapshots which are created for the volumes, like we store in volumes which are attached to some servers and they are not used, like there are very older snapshots which are there. And there should be a limit that of until this date or until this timestamp the snapshot should be retained, else the older snapshot should be deleted. So you can create this code in PowerShell, in Python, or some like this, to create the snapshot which are older, and to keep only the snapshot which are latest. So in this way, this is one of the thing you can tell that you have done for cost optimization. Then there are various servers which like developers create, who have access, and then they don't use it and they are just there in the cloud platform. So there should be some check on those servers, and if they are not used they should be deleted. And they should not be deleted like that. You can tell that first we should send the notification to the owner that if they are is it required, and then after the confirmation we should delete them. So this is one of the way you can tell that what all you have steps you have taken for cost optimization. Also you can write the code that you have put you have written a script where you are fetching the running VM list in every weekends, like whatever VMs were running on the weekends. You can send those list to the management that these VMs were running. So in this way they can communicate with the team owners, like were they actually required or they were running. Like this is just for a business justification purpose, that if they're using it for some purpose or it is running like that only, or if your script is working or not. So you should do a check also. You have done a check, you have written a scripts for that. This is also one of the way that how are you optimizing the cost, and you are monitoring it as well. Then you can also tell, like in databases, like how you're optimizing the databases for like for that. You have like we have written a script for deleting the older data from the databases, and we have created indexing and all that for fast querying. So these if so these all the action should be done once it is approved from the owners of the servers, and notification should be sent, proper notification should be sent, and then you have done these processes, and you have automated all this using script. So if you will tell all this in your to your interviewer, it will create a good impression and of yours. So yeah, you can try out these scripts too, like it's you can connect to AWS portal using creating the IAM role. You can assume those roles, you can get the token, and then you can with that token you can get the list of the VMs first of all which are running, and then stop. So there are commands for it. You can explore EC2, AWS EC2, and there are also commands for Azure CLI. You can explore those too. So try it out, and yeah, it if you tell all this in your interview, it will be it will create a good impact. So yeah, that's all for today's video, and I hope you like it. Yeah, so bye.